All right, we are at the Marriott Vacation Club in San Diego. And got it right here, front door. It's got a little tiny kitchenette here. A dishwasher, a little fridge, microwave. Instead of a dishwasher, I would like a little oven. Would have been nice, but this is the door to the bathroom. You can get to it through the bedroom too. TV area. Couch, chair. And you have, kind of see out here, I'm not going to open it up, but not much of a view. We're overlooking the other buildings. Kind of see over there a little bit. Go into the bedroom. Nightstands, you know, I like when they're the same height as the bed or higher. Nice king size bed, stool. Another TV in here with a dresser right there. About the same view right there. Bathroom. Pretty big in here. Got a big wardrobe in here. That's nice and extra everything here set because I think the couch out there folds open to a bed. Top. You got the ironing board and everything there. You got the hangers that come off, which is nice. That's becoming a rarity nowadays. Here's that door that we saw in that kitchenette area. There is a nice big sink. Business area, big shower. And it's nice that this raises up and down for tall people or short people. And I guess this can be a stand-up makeup area. It's kind of tall. It's kind of an odd design, but okay. We'll walk out and give one last look at everything here. Now this place is on the 12th floor and up of this building. To get to it, you check in down below. You go up to the 12th floor to check in. And you have to take different elevators from floor 12 up to 20 or 25, whatever it is. And then you have to come down. You have to stop at 12 and change elevators down, which is fine. Keeps the riffraff out of this room because you got to go through the lobby. So that's it right there. I'll give you some other stuff later in the review later. All right, just so you get orientate yourself, the pool, weight room's right there. Down there to the right is the lobby. Come in, you got a hot tub, nice sitting area over there. Decent sized pool. It is indoor with some skylights up here you can see. Lots of seating there. It's comfortable in here. It's not hot, it's not cold, which is kind of nice. Be very comfortable. You can see down here. Restrooms in here. Lots of towels in the corner. Water filter. Good pool room. Alright, we're in the fitness room here. Good sized fitness room. Bunch of machines. Towels. Like I said, one of the hacks in hotel rooms, if they have a gym, they usually have filtered water in almost every one. Just bring your down here only. Some free weights. 4 treadmills, which is nice. Treadmills are the most used cardio thing, so I don't know why they have 1 or 2 of them and then a bunch of other stuff, since treadmills are used 3 to 1. So a lot of cardio machines. It's nice. Good sized gym. Like I said, I do like this amount of cardio machines. It's really nice. I talked to that gentleman. He did not mind me filming him. He was pretty nice. Nice workout room though. All right, final review. Here's the front door. Couple things. We just come for our bags for trash. The trash is there and it's so small, you really can't get anything in it. Everything was good. I'm gonna be kind of nitpicky here. Couch is okay. Pretty hard couch. You're not gonna get too comfortable on it. Sitting there for a while. Didn't really use the table. TV was set up. You really don't have to set your Roku or anything up because it has pretty much every app you'll need. Kitchen, pretty much everything you need. There's no real hot plate, but it'll reheat stuff. The dishwasher was okay, and they had plates and everything like that. Coming here, the bed, a couple things on the bed. It's really, really, really soft. I mean, really soft. It was kind of uncomfortable because you kind of sag down so much. It was really... And these I had to try to rearrange because it's blowing right down on you. And it got cold at night. I'm talking cold, 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 cold. So these ours, I didn't know it, but they do kind of bend a little bit. So I forced them all up so I could see it. Bathroom was real good. Nothing real bad. Nice big sink. Shower. If you don't have soap, there's so much pressure in that spigot, it'll just beat the dirt off you. It was one of the hardest pressures I've ever had in my life. This area back here was kind of nice for storage, for bags and stuff like that. But overall, it was a good place. Good, no real complaints. Everything was kind of little nitpicky stuff here. So that's it. Everybody have a good day. Thanks. Bye.